So, hello guys, we are back. Hello guys, we are back. No? So, this is my day 4. Day 4. So, as you can see here, 3, 6. Um, yung ADX is going up. So, ayun nga, panalo tayo. um, ayun. So, if matalo ng 3 times, stop for now. So, let's find another trade. Tumaas siya ng konti. Masyado nang mababa. If ma-break, magbubuo muna dito ng itong area na to maglalaro muna yan, gagawa muna yan ng base dyan, but pwede gawin kong let's see, I will increase. So I increase it to the 1 minute and 40 seconds. Kasi nasa resistance support, gano'n. Itong area na to dito. So, ito, yan. Itong area na yan. So, what happened to my... So, ayun nga. Binigyan ko siya ng oras para bumaba. So, 40 seconds pa. Kaso lang, diba? Balik natin sa 40. So, yun na. It's a win. Wag lang biglang tumaas, no? Alright. Yun daw. Sinasabi ko biglang tataas. 10 seconds. Walang anin. 5. Alright. Okay. It's a win. So, now, find another one. Yung umangat to. If ma-break. Subukan natin ulit. Ginawa ko ulit 1 minute and 40 kasi expected, but if I am wrong, right? Yung ADX kasi is going down, so expected ko dito will go up, kaya ginawa kong 1 minute and 40 seconds para bigyan ng time. Kaso lang, if I lose 1 minute more, mukhang talo. But it's okay if it's loose. So wait for the rest. Yeah, it's a loss. Yeah, it's a loss. So let's go. Another one loss. This one here. I sell here. Naka 1 minute and 40 pa din pala. Yep. So, expected ko dito going down. Kasi nga, hindi na break yung ano. Wait natin ang result. Wait. So, ayun. 5 seconds. So, tama nga. Alright. Kahapon nga pala, no? Kasi 3, 4 something, right? 4K kanina nung nag-start ako ng ngayon. Kasi nag-trade ako. So, kaninang umaga. So, panalo yun. Kaya naging 4K. So, ngayon, ito na. So, now, let's look for another. This one. Mukha yatang at gawin ulit nating 1 minute and 40. So, let it play. Kasi, itong area is na break. And we are also downtrend. And ADX is trying to go up. So, if the trend is strong, well, it continue to go down. How many? 1 minute. Alright, seconds. So, we are win again. Bakit nga pala ako 150, 150? Ewan, ba't ayaw ko nga pantaasan? Kasi nga, ayaw kong masyadong taasan kasi kasi bakit? Bakit nga ba? So, ayun. Balik ko sa 40 seconds. Gawin nga nating 200. Oh. Uh-oh. So this one, nung ginawa kong 40 seconds, biglang tumaas. Talo. Oo nga, kasi bigla kasing nag-change ng going down. So, it's a lose freak. Hindi pa siya gaano eh. Maybe forming pa lang siya. Yan, try ko mag-buy. Tapos biglang bumaba naman, no? So, if this lose, I will stop because it's my third lose if I lose here. So, kasi if tama yung signal going down, so in this area, candle going up. 1 second, 4 seconds. Alright, it's a win. 1 more lose in we're done for now. So dito naman, nasa area ng resist support. Nandun siya sa ito. Naka. So, alright, it's a win again. Yeah. Ayun na. Alright, 5K. 5K na. So, look for another trade. This one. Shall I go for it? Kasi nagbay ako kasi if this signal is correct going down, so I'm expecting it's going up. And also this area here, this one, alam nyo na, ng buong base. So 8 seconds. Oh, mukha yatang 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. So find another trade. Buy. Oh, nagpo-form siya ng going down. Let's look. So I tried. Oh. So again, if signal is correct, na break. If mag-close siya sa labas. So kasi kaya ako nag-buy if tama ulit ha. If it's right. If it's right, it's got try to go down. So I'm expecting it go up. But my position is not good. 5 seconds. Oh yeah, I'm right. Medyo kinabahan ng konti doon. Alright. So tama. Look for trade. Okay, I think. Oh, wait. Biglang pumitik pagka. Oh, alright. We are done for today, I think. 20 seconds. Yes, we are done. So, panalo pa din naman. Yung aking result for today. So, 1, 2, 3 loss. This is my trade, my result for today. So 1, 2, 3 loss. Well, it's still a good trade for today. So I'm done. Day 5 tomorrow. Bye.